Hey guys, welcome to T Glam Beauty Bar, where everything is nothing but glamorous. So today's video is going to be about a do-it-yourself face mask. And in the video, I'm going to be showing how I use coffee and honey mixed together. So the coffee exfoliates your skin, and the honey brings moisture back to your face. So I'm just going to show a little clip of how I achieved my natural face mask. If you want to see this video, continue watching. Okay, so let's start off with the ground coffee. Then I'm going to have raw unfiltered honey. A bowl and some spoon. So I'm going to take 1 full spoonful. Take 2 spoons. One spoonful of honey. So 2 spoonfuls. So altogether you're gonna have 2 spoonfuls of coffee and 2 spoonfuls of raw unfiltered honey. So now you just mix it up. So this is what it looks like once you mix it up. It's supposed to be real thick and pasty. Okay, so now that I applied all of the ingredients together, I'm just going to apply it to my face. Now this will get a little messy and sticky. So I applied this head wrap so it won't get in my hair. And I like to just apply a little bit more underneath the eyes because I have a lot of bags, so. Okay, so what the honey does is it brings back moisture to your face, and the coffee exfoliates the skin, so it gets rid of the bags underneath, the puffiness underneath your eyes, and it's just a good exfoliator for your face. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram at T Glam Beauty Bar. Thank you.